Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export invoices here in Zoho Books. Alright, first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the left panel and click on Sales. Now once you're in here, just go out and find the invoices and click on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, if you want to export all of your invoices, you can go out and click on the checkbox right here, and all will be selected. But if you want to as well, you can go ahead and filter everything out first and then export it all. Now to filter, you can just go ahead and select a column, for example, per invoice. Okay, click on invoice right here and it will be listed from 1 to 3 and above. Okay, order number like so, or by customer name, or the due date right here, amount, and balance due. Okay, once that is all filtered, you can now go ahead and click on the checkbox right here at the top and just click on download. You can go ahead and export it as a PDF or as a zip. Okay, so I'm just going to select a PDF right here, save it wherever you want and name it. Okay, invoices 2025, for example. Hit on save, and there you have it. Okay, that's basically how you do it. That's how you export invoices here in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.